It's a pleasure to welcome you to another episode of our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a topic of vital importance to every business: product marketing trends for the year 2023. Whether you're a retailer, manufacturer, or marketing professional, staying on top of these trends is vital to maintaining your competitive edge. Let's take a look at this topic from three angles: technological innovation, content strategy, and social media marketing. And to make it even more tangible, I'm going to enrich my discussions with concrete examples. Indeed, technology is an integral part of our daily lives, and product marketing is no exception. Technological innovations are constantly transforming the way brands reach their customers. Here are the 4 best technological innovations to apply to your product marketing. First, artificial intelligence. AI is being used in product marketing in a number of ways. I've noted 3 interesting examples for you, particularly for personalizing product recommendations. AI analyzes a customer's purchase history and browsing behavior on your website. Based on this information, AI could recommend products that the customer is likely to enjoy. This is common practice on platforms like Amazon or Netflix, where AI analyzes each user's preferences to recommend relevant products or movies. Next, AI via customer service such as chatbots. AI-based chatbots are able to provide immediate answers to customers' frequently asked questions, all in the same way, 7 days a week. For example, airlines use chatbots for their websites to automatically answer common questions such as, "What is the baggage policy?" "How can I change my flight?" etc. Companies like Domino's Pizza or Starbucks also use chatbots to enable customers to place orders directly from the chat platform. Product sales companies use it to answer common questions. Such as, "How can I track the status of my order? How do I return a product I've purchased? When will my item be shipped?" The advantage, efficiency, and improved customer experience. The icing on the cake: it frees up customer service time to concentrate on more complex problems. And finally, market trend prediction. A specific example of market trend prediction could be that of the Zara brand. Zara uses AI to analyze a multitude of data, ranging from in-store sales to social network trends, to predict which clothing styles will be in vogue the following season. They integrate this valuable information into their design and manufacturing process, enabling them to produce items that precisely match consumer demand. In the digital arena, Google Trends is a notable tool that uses AI to analyze Google search queries and spot emerging trends. This is a valuable tool for marketers to understand changing consumer interest and adapt their strategy accordingly. The second emerging technology is augmented reality, also known as AR. It enables customers to interact with products in a new, immersive way. Swedish furniture company IKEA, which has introduced an app called IKEA Place, uses augmented reality to help customers visualize how their furniture fits into their space. App users can browse the IKEA product catalog, then use their phone's camera to virtually place furniture in their home. This allows them to see what the furniture would look like in their space before making a purchase. Beauty brands like Sephora are using AR to let customers virtually try on different makeup products. Users can use their phone's camera to virtually apply lipstick, mascara, or blush, and see how they would look with these products. This technology can help reduce customer uncertainty and increase confidence in purchasing these products. If you're a manufacturer, augmented reality can also help you when prospecting. You can create virtual reality models of your products, that can be viewed using a smartphone or tablet. This can enable you to show your product from every angle, even if you don't have the physical object with you. This can be particularly useful for products that are large or difficult to transport. Thirdly, technological innovation through IoT, the Internet of Things. The IoT enables products to be connected to the Internet, opening up new possibilities for product marketing. Here are 4 examples. IoT is the collection of data for personalization. Take Fitbit, a company that produces fitness trackers, using the IoT to collect data on its users' physical activities. This data is then used to provide personalized fitness recommendations and health advice to the user. IoT is customer service. Nest's smart thermostats, for example, can learn users' heating and cooling habits and automatically adjust the temperature accordingly. If a problem occurs with the thermostat, Nest can send a notification to customer service, who can then contact the user to resolve the issue. IoT is about updating product software. Tesla is an excellent example of a company that uses the IoT to update software that adds new features to their vehicles. For example, Tesla has rolled out an update that improves the self-driving capability of its cars, adding value to the car without any physical effort on the part of the owner. IoT is automatic replenishment. Amazon has launched a program called Dash Replenishment Service that uses the IoT to automatically replenish household items. For example, a connected printer with this service can automatically order new ink cartridges when it detects that it is about to run out of ink. Fourth, the technological innovation of marketing automation. This technology automates repetitive tasks linked to product marketing, such as sending promotional emails or publishing content on social media. This frees up your marketing team's time to concentrate on more strategic tasks. Here are a few automation tools that help marketing teams save time and automate repetitive tasks to be defined according to need. HubSpot, Mailchimp, Outsuite, Salesforce, and many others. To sum up, today we've talked about technological innovations, how they're influencing product marketing in 2023. Keeping abreast of these trends will not only help you stay competitive, but also attract the most value from your marketing efforts. Remember, the world is changing fast. Don't be afraid to experiment. That's the real magic of marketing. If you need us, we're here to help. I hope you found this video informative. If so, I encourage you to share it and leave your thoughts in the comments section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to seeing you soon.